Excuse me. Hey, I'm a photographer and now I'm just out and about doing some dog photography today. Do you fancy a couple of photos of your dog?
Yeah, go for it.
What's his name?
Toby.
Toby. What breed's that?
It's a Weimaraner.
Can you get him to sit for me?
Yeah.
Then if you just come behind me and you'll look this way. Hello. And then just pull the ball down by the camera. Do you want to throw the ball a bit and we will get some shots of him coming back? Yeah. Let's get some of him in the sea. And then do that one more time. Lovely. So is there anything he likes doing?
We run ultra marathons together,
Oh, really?
so he's a pretty fit dog.
How far does he run?
We're training for a 55-mile race at the moment. He likes going out paddleboarding as well.
Does he actually get on the paddleboard?
No, he just swims next to me.
Oh, all right. How quick does he do ultra marathons in then?
The last one we did was 40 miles. That was about 8 hours. Sit down.
He's too excited by the camera.
Sit down.
Wait, let me come around here. And then bring the ball down for me. Lovely. Got loads.